My heart just skipped a beat. Like some shit just hit me. Jesus. Let me get the fuck away from this shit. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
I put that bitch in backwards.
For real?
Yeah.
Hey, you fixed it though, right?
Yeah, I fixed it.
You sure?
Yeah, nigga, go look at it.
Nah.
$10,000 intro version.
It's not about what you earn.
It's not about what you earn. It's not about what you earn. I thought I was supposed to come in there. Real shit.
It's not about what you
Alright,
earn.
YouTube.
You a product of what you
I had to
learn.
freehand the rest of this rabbit all the way around there. I didn't have a bit that could get any of these little curves out. Bought this little router base with some handles on it and just used that. The issue I'm having now is this piece is flush in there. It ain't falling out, but it's too tight. I'll probably take some sandpaper and just bring all of this down some. And I'm gonna do the same up in here. I need to take that back some. Then both of these pieces should fit down in there, no problem. I could probably add some little thin lights if I wanted and wrap the vinyl, which I actually already have some thin lights. These are real thin. I think they're like 0.5 millimeter. Yeah, I'm gonna keep playing around with this and we're gonna see if it works. Alright, YouTube, I got these pieces sanded down. Then I took that gold plexiglass that I had, flipped it upside down and put it on this board. And you can see I'm about to use the router table to cut it. This the flush trim spiral bit. Oh, let's see what that look like. I do got a little chip in it. Had a little kickback. For the most part, seemed like it held up pretty good. If I was doing like an edge lid or something, it should be tight. Now I think I know how. I'm gonna get that done later. Yep, I think I'm about done with this piece. Next step is figuring out the lights and wrapping this jank, man. I went ahead and made this rabbit and groove a lot deeper. Alright, so that way it sit closer. Damn, the focus bad. Focus. And we'll sit a little bit closer to the top. I still need to do something with that, but I really don't think you will see it once this piece go on. So I'm ready to go ahead and fine tune a little bit last remaining details with this, like where I'm gonna put the rest of my magnets at. I already got one in, actually two in, but this one I need to knock it down some. It's sticking up a little too high. If I don't knock that down, I'll just countersink the one that go with it. Yeah. Alright, so I think the next step, I was gonna body fill this shit to the board. I think I still might do it. But I need to figure something out for that. Alright, what I did is I went ahead and put some threaded inserts where I'm gonna mount these at. Alright, I gotta get some shorter screws. The ones I got way too long. I don't need it to go all the way through. I just needed to hold it down. And I think now, because I want to mount my fuse blocks right here, but I want to have it sitting up some. So I was going to put like some feet on the back of these to stand it up. Let me show you. I actually just had one. There it is. I bought some of these little spacers, and I was going to stand it up on top of that, make it look like it's kind of floating. But I think I'm going to go with a different idea now, because I don't want to see up underneath it. So this little template that I made earlier to come up with some designs, I'm going to now shorten this, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to sit the fuse box on it like that, and I'm going to mount that to the front of the amp rack. I don't know, y'all see what I'm talking about after I do it. Let me go ahead and get that done. Alright, so what I did is I copied this shape. I just cut it out, the whole thing. Then I flipped it, alright? I flipped it so that way I had this same curve on this side. I put my fuse box up here and just kind of measured it. So I want to cut off about that much at that angle. Let's cut that off. Alright. Something like that. I got a little bit more to do to it now too. Probably do not need this much tape. That's probably why I keep breaking shit. Stop at this line. I might make a stop though. put it a little bit in front of it. All right, this is how it turned out. All right, so now fuse box gonna mount, and then my wires from my distribution blocks, it's gonna go right up underneath it, down behind the amp rack. But of course, this piece ain't done yet. I gotta put some more final details and shit on it. Probably something around the outside. May put a chamfer or a round over. Let's see what the chamfer gonna end up looking like. All right. So I added the chamfer around the side, and then I went ahead and made me a template. This the hole that I'm about to cut out right here, and that's gonna be so my wires can pass from my distribution blocks up under the amp rack. If I don't like it, man, ain't no going back after this. So let's go ahead and fuck it, do it and keep it moving.
So clean, that's why the bird shit on it. Treat your whip just like I'm Bruce and smoke some perp shit on it. Watch your bitch quit her day job so she get hoe in the morning. My nigga fuck a vacation, hard or the soft. Hypnotized by the money, I don't need no time off. You a bitch, you sit when you piss and paint your fingernails. I grab the pussy, then I blame the scale. I put the work in, pulling up in the 88. I call it Michael Irvin up in the takeoff.
All right. So this gonna sit like that. Make sure I line these holes up. That's gonna sit like that. And then these sit like this. Alright, something like that. Right? Then the wires will run clean from this. Clean up under here. You won't see a thing. You won't see a thing. So, to make this a smoother transaction, I think I'm gonna do the same thing and put some more chamfer bits, man. Them chamfers and these roundovers and the straight bit, man, definitely my 3 favorite bits right now. These are the only bits that I have used pretty much. It's a straight bit or a spiral upcut, 45-degree half-inch chamfer, and a roundover. So yeah, let's clean this up some so it ain't so hard and the wires can flow in there easily. So I think I'm gonna put a chamfer going down on this side and then right here on the other part, on the bottom side. So let's do that. All right, it's the back side. All right, it'll be a little bit smoother. It's the front. All right. Now I think I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So to do that one, I now gotta flip the board over and now hit that side. When I did this one, I did it like this. Now, I'm gonna go like this. That's simple. All right, let's do it. All right, just like that. So I know I'm gonna wrap this whole front piece right here in carpet. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get some wood glue, and I'm gonna glue this piece down. I may try to cover, I doubt it. It probably ain't gonna show up with the carpet, these little lines. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wood glue this down. Oh shit, big ass spider over this junk. Oh shit. These janks be vicious. Yeah, alright, I don't even know where I was. Yeah, I see that now. I'm gonna have to do something with that little part. I fucked that up on the router, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get some body filler and smooth that out. But I still need to like do some sanding on it anyway, just to get everything A1. Smooth some more edges out, but for the most part, that's what she's looking like. All right, I might not even run these covers. You see they upside down. I prefer to have it like that, but it ain't gonna work. If I flip it, I don't know about that. I think about it, but I don't know. But yeah, we looking good. We looking good. So I think what I'm about to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the top piece to length, and I'm gonna start placing my amps on them jank, on that shit, and start finessing that part. Then I could tie it all in together. Go smile for the camera, nigga. Nigga reached and hit the goal, man. It's a nice little spot. Fuck George.
Oh yeah, fuck George. I only come here
Say it again.
Yeah, fuck George.
Fuck George.
Fuck George.
Fuck George.
Straight up.
Fuck you, George. Huh?
I only come here on Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, I do my own shit.
And I hate that shit. I hate the whole system, man. You laughing, you must know something about it, then.
Yeah, Pontiac, Firebird. It's Firebird, ain't it? Yeah, these bitches hard, man. I wanted one of these janks. I like these janks better than the Camaros. Yeah.
I got to do that job. You know that nigga too.
Who?
That who owned that Camaro.
Which one of them?
Gotcha. Okay.
There's some shit out there.
The chrome one in the front.
That's all they do in this jank. This jank been around the street from me the whole time, bro. The whole time. Look at the motors. They about to get that jank running. It's crazy. I just got off work too, man. I was about to hit the crib. Not no more. They putting that lift on this jank. Let me show y'all this other shit. This ain't gonna be a sliding top. What is these? These is 24 by 16s. Yo. Crazy, look at the tub. This shit. You said what?
You know who welded that shit up?
Who?
You know who welded that shit up?
Who?
Ace, nigga.
For real?
Hey,
That's crazy.
she welded that shit up.
She did this.
Tooled it out and everything. But we set it to the right jump. She came through and weld that jump. Yeah, good as a bitch on them shits.
Hell yeah, I ain't know she can get down like this. Yeah, I need it.
Network, nigga.
Hey, you ain't lying. I got a lot of work to be done too. Crazy YouTube. Look at Reese truck. He took that goddamn Met code, whatever the hell that jank was off. Oh yeah, we ain't even walk around the rest of the yard. Just got all of them sitting in the line. Cadillacs, Oldsmobiles, Chevys. Another caddy. I think this jank got an LS in it over here too. Cutlass. LS. Oh, I like the way they did that grill. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, this shit tough. It's right around the corner from me. The whole time. But it ain't about to be right around the corner from you no more. Your boy actually just bought another crib. I'm gonna be moving back around the east. This bitch is tough. I know I love them caprices. The snake skin.
Hey, look, crazy part. I wasn't even gonna bring you to the junk until I finish my Cadillac.
That's fucked up.
Look.
Y'all hear this shit?
I wasn't even gonna bring you to the junk until I finish my Cadillac.
Yeah, now y'all ain't gonna be able to get rid of me.